Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today for you I have a video on how to paint your nails perfectly, and more importantly how to paint your nails with no dents and how to allow your nails to dry and everything like that. So I was inspired by a comment that I got, and that's why I'm filming this video. So shout out to that person and that viewer of mine. I'm so glad you asked me that, because that inspired me to film this video, which I thought it's pretty, like, I don't know, easy. So that's why I didn't film it, but I was like, maybe someone also wants to know, so that's why I'm filming it. So this is how I paint my nails and how I prevent any dents and anything like that. So I apply first coat. I apply it on one hand, obviously, at a time. While I'm applying the first coat, my other hand is not painted yet. I apply one coat on my hand that you just see, and then I go and apply one coat on my other hand, and once I come back, you will see that this one kind of dried already. So now I'm going in with a second coat and I'm applying second coat, while the first coat is most likely already somewhat dry. So that's a huge tip, so to allow like time between the coats. That's so important. And by the time you paint one hand, then you come back, you will already have the coat in between already dry. So that's what I'm doing here, you can see. And then I just repeat the second coat, the same process as well, before applying top coat. So I'm not applying my quick dry top coat right away. If you do it right away, you will smudge everything and it will be not good. So you have to have a very good top coat. This is the one that I've been using for years, and it gives me like that gel effect, so shiny. So when I apply my quick dry top coat, it just fixes everything, adds beautiful shine, and makes sure that your nails get fully like dried. And once you apply a top coat, you usually have to wait like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I love to allow myself at least half an hour before I do anything, because sometimes it can happen that it's not fully dry. Like maybe the surface will be dry, but if you like get it, like hit it on something, usually with this top coat I'm good to go in like 5 minutes or 10, just depends. But I love to allow myself to have time between like finishing everything. So I hope that makes sense. And usually when I paint my nails, it's my me time. It's usually when I relax and watch some of my TV shows, so I already have time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, because I want to feature you guys in my videos. So that's what I will be doing, and I will talk with you in my other video. Bye.